Alright, what's going on, everybody? It is episode number 5. We are back in Ratchet and Clank on planet Rilgar, ready to take on the world. Praying that I don't jump off the ledge. That was close. Alright. Oh, that's right. They haven't added this in yet. Crap. 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 I'm dead. So yeah, in this game you actually have to select the swing shot before you make the jump. In the other games you didn't have to do that. Shit. Well, that's a great way to start the video off. Alright. Let's go this way first. I don't remember too much about this level, so they might get a little newbie on this one. Ooh, going down. Alright. Okay, this is oh, we gotta use the little water thing. Let's see. Gadgets. Okay. I have to use this a bunch in this level, so we're gonna keep this handy. Don't forget the bolts. As always, every bolt counts. Alright. Then we gotta put the water back in. That way we can go over there. And I say every bolt counts, but I'm gonna totally avoid all the ones that are on the ground down there. Oops. Ugh. Okay, get through there. So, you know, just as about a third of the way through this game, I can safely say I'm still on my platform kick. I wake up every day now and I want to play my platformers. Which is crazy. I mean, there's some days I just don't have the time to play, but days like today where I've got the day off, and even though it's absolutely gorgeous outside, and any other normal person would be out there doing stuff, I want to play my platformers. I was like, it's Ratchet and Clank Day. I gotta get some episodes filmed. Alright, let's get down in here. Okay, so it looks like there is... We gotta get up somehow. Something that I missed. What the... Glitching out there for a second. We gotta get the water... Okay, we gotta put water back in here. Oh, can I go up this side here? Nope. See if I remember how to swim. Yeah, I do. Alright, that's down. X is up. Simple enough. Not to die. You do get I believe you get a, like, something that allows you to go underwater for a long period of time. I don't know if you get it on this level or you get it on a level in the future, but it's coming up soon. Need those bolts. Whoop. Alright, so we give a little bit more insight on what's going to be coming up here. You should see this is what, episode 5. So you've already should have seen the first couple Batman episodes out, so that's awesome. I was very excited to get that series going. I couldn't wait to get that one going. Oh, water! No! We gotta get through the door. But we should, after this one, this series will probably last, probably about the same amount of episodes as Jak and Daxter. So we should get probably 14 or so episodes of this one. Oh, we gotta hurry. We gotta go up. Crap. We might die. No. Go, 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 go. Oh boy. Go, 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 go. Oh boy. Cutting it close. Oh god. I'm dead. Shit. I missed something there. I did something completely wrong. There's got to be a different way to go. But hell if I remember. Let's just book it. Whoa. Yeah, remember I told you about that move? Spam it. You go so fast with this thing. Oh shit. That's not good. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh boy. Alright, we still got a little bit. Alright. Need my last little bit of air before we have to descend again. Go! Alright, up. 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 Straight up. Oh god. No. 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 Ugh. Alright, come on now. Too early for this. Go, go, go. This is back in the time of the games where they didn't really give a shit. There was one difficulty level for a lot of these. Yeah, don't fall off. Alright, get over. Get over. Okay. We might still be dead here. Oh, got out of it. That's awesome. Alright, there we go. Oh boy, going down again. Go, don't die, don't die. Live, Ratchet, live. Just choose life. Just choose life. You chose life. Thank you, Ratchet. That was stressful. Man. Forgot this game can be a little bit challenging at times. I definitely said that in an earlier episode, that it is definitely at times challenging. That was one of those parts. Ooh, let's talk to big beefy security guy over here.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it!
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark won't understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts!
You've got it all wrong!
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
4,000? God! You're ripping me off, bro. Let these guys out at you. Whoa! Okay. Camera, wonky. Okay. So the games in the future kind of fix a lot of those problems, but camera can get you killed a couple times in this one. You can tell. I mean, this is early in the PS2 cycle, so they're still really experimenting with twin stick cameras. Something that if you go back and try to play a game that doesn't have it anymore, it just feels weird because you've just gotten so used to it. Alright, so we're gonna go do the other side real fast so we can get more bolts, so we can talk to Captain Quark. Let's go! Let me off, let me off, let me off. Alright, go over this way. All these bolts here. Up top. Oh. It's a tank! It was a hey. Take it back a couple of months, but I hate tanks. Let me just throw that out there. Me and tanks don't get along very well. Probably the best thing is when you actually catch a guard running on a TNT crate. Like you're standing right next to it and you blow them up. So satisfying. Oh shit. Damn it. Whew. Get over. Oh, that was close. Need my bolts. Give me my bolts. Alright. Whoa! Holy Christ. Ugh, okay. King Slime. Slime's really easy. The easiest way to just deal with them is just use a wrench. Unless there's like you get into a room, there's like 20 of them. The Pyrocider. Give me that. But I'm by no means a pro with this game. There's plenty of people out there that are way better than me. But I just tell you what I think works, and what I've found that does work. So, oh, it's a bridge. So we're gonna let's blast the fuck out of these guys. Hee. Haha. I love the face on Ratchet when he's shooting that. Look at this. Let's paint it in this way. It's like half angry and it's half like I gotta take a really massive poo. Let's Pyrocite this guy. Blah, blah. That's my slime sound. Whee! Yeah, this is about the zone where you start getting a lot of bolts very quickly. Or maybe it was the last zone. I probably said it was the last zone. But it's around this time. Oh boy. Glove of Doom? Yeah, let's Glove of Doom these guys. Oh, Glove of Doom is the best. It's just the best. I love it. Alright, that's the way out of here. Okay. Looks like we do need to get out of here. There's nowhere else to go this way. Whoop. Going downtown. It's a really good song that goes along with that. Oh, they're having a war down here. I think the Glove of Doom is the perfect weapon for this. I just love seeing that. It destroyed the tank too. Oh, this is the best weapon in the game. I don't care what anybody says. Alright. Watch. Hey troops, how you guys doing? Oh wait. Meet my minions. Oh man. That is freaking great. I love it. I think you can destroy it. No, you can't. Oh, they're all committing suicide. I think I might... No, choose life. I think I might name this episode Choose Life.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Yeah. So you gotta get, if you want to get the Rhino, 150,000 volts, which we might be able to get enough before the game's out. We'll try to, anyways. But right now we got enough bolts that we can go back and talk to Cork. So that's what we're gonna do. Up we go. First, we gotta fight through this cave. To slime people's home. So here's kind of a Ratchet and Clank fun fact before we go to where this boss is. So the voice actor for Ratchet in this game is the I don't remember the voice actor's name. And it's probably something I'll look up, and I might annotate into the video here. But this was his only game that he actually got to voice Ratchet. After this, for those that have played Final Fantasy X, James Arnold Taylor, I believe that's his name. If not, again, I'll annotate it. He takes over and does the voice of Ratchet, and he's been the voice of Ratchet ever since the second game. So even the games and the things that come out today, including the movie, he will be doing the voice of them. It's pretty cool. He's been doing it a long time. Oh, he got hit me through the fence. What? The blaster ready. Let's see. Actually, let's see what's coming through. Yep. Blaster. Betty, I got a better idea. No, not suck cannon. Love of Doom. Get them, my minions. So much death. Oh man. Greatest weapon ever. Well, maybe not ever. Wait till we get to the newer games and we get Mr. Zircon. That's the greatest weapon ever. But for this game, oh god, the Glove of Doom. It's phenomenal. Alright. Whoa. What's up, guys? These guys, minions will go through the fence and everything. Nope, guess not. Hey, how's it going? Oh god. Ah, yeah, there is a way to get that gold bolt. We'll try to get it real fast. Hey, buddy, how you doing? See my minion? Haha! Let's see, about out of ammo. Let's use... We use the Pyrocider for a little bit. That hurt. Woo! Beautiful. Okay. That one goes through there. We're gonna do real fast. Kill this guy. Through there. It spawns all of these guys. Let's get the bomb glove ready. There we go. Spawn, okay, that sent me back over here. Crap, that did not work. Okay, oh, we gotta go this way. That's why. Duh. My Pyrocider ready for these guys. Just massacres. Okay. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Damn it. Well, what you're... Actually, no, this is broken. It's gotta be... something I missed. There's gotta be something I missed to get back. I might come back and get that one. I just can't remember what it is, and I'm going to press forward so I can get this whole planet done on this episode. Woohoo! Oh god, it's a... Fuck off, tank. Stupid frickin' tanks. I hate tanks. You son of a bitch. Oh wow, they start you way the hell back. Oh my god. Alright. Prepare for a little cutoff moment. When we get back, I'll be back to where we were. Sorry about this, guys. Alright, there you go. We got it. Still can't figure out how to do that, though. Whoa! Another frickin' tank. Get out of here. Get out of here, you stupid tank. Hate stupid tanks. Alright, all of that. Through here, and then I think that's it for this part. And we gotta go back and talk to Quark. Yep, this is it. Let's go and get all the boxes first. It's very important. Must get bolts, all of the bolts. Can I use a bomb? Ah, yes. When in doubt, just bomb it out. So that's a little shortcut that takes you right back to Quark, so as you probably saw when I was over there to begin with. Oh, nope, missed. Blow it up. Okay. Alright, let's talk to her and be done with this.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
Alright, so yeah, we gotta come back. We gotta get a hoverboard, which we'll get farther on. So I told you do a lot of backtracking in these episodes. Alright, talk to Quark.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly Oh! Just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Alright, let's head off to planet Umbris. I love the humor in this game. The fact that I've seen this stuff like 3 times, it still makes me laugh. To me, the signs of good comedy. Stupid comedy, but very good comedy. Alright, let's get on to Planet Umbris, and we will be checking out of this episode. Alright. Quark's headquarters. Away we go! Whee! Whee! Alright, here we are.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Alright, and we'll do the challenge course on the next episode. But you guys take care, take it easy. Catch you later. Bye.